welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko, aunti Deke. If today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So last week we were able to learn about baby shark nursery rhyme in Yoruba, and by now I want to believe that you've tried at least to learn it or learn the word akurakuda is the Yoruba word for shark. Okay, so this week we're going to be learning about ABC song in Yoruba language, but we call it ABD song. Previously I've done a whole episode regarding Yoruba alphabet, so you can go back to that to watch it. Okay, as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akúdédé àsìkò gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ aunti Deke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní ti tòní a máa kọ orin ABD ti àwọn elédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, a máa kọ ní ti èdè abínibí wa Yorùbá. Ó yá, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So we're gonna take it slowly first, and then we can pick up the faster version. Okay. So let us go. A B D E F G B E G K L M N O O Pirisi Shiti Uwi Baimomo Abidimi Nígbà mìíràn ṣó máa kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Okay, we're gonna take it again. A B D E F G B E G K L M N O O Pirisi Shiti Uwi Baimomo alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi Nígbà mìíràn ṣó máa kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Should we try it again? Okay. For the last time, we're going to go really fast. A, B, D, A, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, O, Pirisi, Shiti, U, Wi, Baimomo, Abidimi, Nígbà mìíràn ṣó máa kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. And that is it, guys. Until we see you next time. As you know, we'll be saying our order but together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O, double. Thank you very much, Eshu.